In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your writing using ChatGPT Atlas. This tool is incredibly useful when you're looking to polish your content for clarity and tone, making it both engaging and professional. Let's walk you through the process step by step so you can make the most of this incredible resource. First, you'll need to open ChatGPT Atlas. It's an intuitive platform that leverages AI to help refine your writing. Once you've accessed it, the next thing you'll want to do is type in the URL of a website. For today's example, we'll be delving into a post from the best digital marketing blogs to follow in 2025. This site is a goldmine for anyone interested in staying ahead of digital marketing trends, and it's a great choice for practicing because its content is both contemporary and information-rich. Now that you're on the website, browse through until you find a section of the text that you believe could benefit from some refinement. It might be an introductory paragraph or a particularly dense section that could use a lighter touch. Once you've settled on the text you want to improve, take a moment to highlight it. When selecting content, think about what you're looking to achieve. Are you hoping to make the writing more concise, more persuasive, or perhaps adjust the tone to better suit your audience? With the text highlighted, shift your attention to the sidebar on ChatGPT Atlas. There, you'll find the option to make a prompt. This is where you instruct the tool on exactly what you would like it to do with the highlighted text. In our case, you'll type in a simple yet essential prompt. Rewrite this for clarity and tone. The clearer your instructions, the better the output, so always keep your goal in mind when framing your prompt. After you've entered your prompting, it's time to click Submit. This is where the magic happens. ChatGPT Atlas quickly gets to work, processing your request and providing you with a revised version of the text that's been optimized for clarity and tone. It's like having a digital editor at your fingertips, a sophisticated AI that understands the nuance and intricacies of effective communication. As you practice using ChatGPT Atlas, you'll find that each iteration gives you insights into how to tighten and brighten your writing. You'll become more attuned to the ways in which language can be tailored to different audiences, learning as much from the process as the final product itself. And there you have it. This simple yet powerful tool can be a game changer for anyone who regularly writes or edits digital content. Keep experimenting and exploring with different texts and prompts, and watch how your writing transforms. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.